Okay. Hi guys. This is the first official video of my channel. And my name is Vanessa Rose, and these two are my two friends from school.
Hello.
My name is Nicole Torres.
Kiara Tucker.
Okay. Today we're going to taste test Japanese snacks, and that's why I have these two. First, we're going to taste test this.
What's this?
Are those like rice crackers?
It's like rice crackers.
Oh
or
my gosh,
something.
rice crackers.
They
They taste weird.
I think it's fish crackers. I don't know.
Fish
Ew,
fries.
fish?
I don't know. Just here.
This seems so weird.
Oh.
Just wonder what other countries think about American food.
Grab one.
What is this?
They look like,
That is really interesting.
It tastes like.
Hi guys. This is the first official video of my channel. And my name is Vanessa Rose, and these two are my two friends from school.
Hello.
my name is Nicole Torres.
Kiara Tucker.
Okay, today we're going to taste test Japanese snacks, and that's why I have these two.
This is interesting.
Like,
Okay.
I give it a 7 out of 10.
5.
5.
Aw.
Now we're going to try this fried noodles. That is really, really good.
Fried noodles?
She
Not
hasn't,
fair, you were
she hasn't tried it yet because she just got here.
They're good.
Okay.
Okay, I feel good.
Okay. 10 out of 10.
10. 11, nothing.
9.
What?
What?
You hater!
You're a hater. Hater. It's trying to be chips, but I still don't know what it is.
Okay, next we're going to try this.
You don't get the most screen time, don't you?
Yeah.
Because you're the star.
I only have one of these, so.
They look like chicken fingers
Huh.
on the bag. Ooh, chicken fingers in a bag.
Smells interesting.
Mmm. That is food of a different kind.
That's good.
Mmm. Tastes like chicken.
Yeah.
Um,
Like, it reminds me of one of the chips in the Philippines.
You have chips that taste like this in the Philippines?
Yeah.
In America, we have
Philippines.
barbecue chips.
It's
Okay. Nick.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. But so surprising.
9. now for the chocolate.
Cookies!
Okay. Hold up. You should
Darn
eat
you.
all the salty first. Okay.
Salty. Did she say salty?
This is salty. Okay, this is chips.
Wait, salty like Pringles chips or salty like mackerel?
Pringles.
These remind me of Pringles.
Okay.
They're so tiny!
They're so tiny. So cute.
Tiny, look how tiny! Look how tiny this is! Oh, not Japanese tourist people!
I think they're the same thing.
Yeah.
Japan made tiny Pringles.
I'm not really surprised.
Same.
Mm.
Ay!
Nope, nope.
Sorry to surprise you with
Now, for the chocolate cookie.
I gotta stay. Sorry.
No, don't do drugs, kids. Weed is bad. That just washed out all the selfies in my mouth. Everyone, cookies. It's like, it looks like pure chocolate.
This is what it looks like.
It tastes like cookies made out of chocolate.
It is.
Exactly. I'm being honest.
Oh wait, we did not read the other one.
What other one?
Pringles one.
It's a teddy bear, y'all.
And rate that one? 1. Just kidding. 8.
4. It's Pringles.
7.
This one tastes like Chips Ahoy.
It does. Tiny Japanese Chips Ahoy. You can tell because the package is cuter and the chips, thingies are tinier.
Yeah, that is true. And sorry for the farness. Okay,
We tried.
this is my first video, so don't judge.
Or you can just hashtag and deal with it.
Yeah, hashtag deal with it. Okay, so
That's it.
that's it for the video.
Yay!
Bye.
Subscribe. Is that
Give us money.
what?
What? What?
Yeah, every
Okay.
1,000 subscribers can get money. It's awesome.
Okay, I'll be posting every Saturday. Okay, at maybe around 12 here in Japan. So bye.
Japan time.
Japan time.